Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to send zip file in Gmail. We're going to send this zip file for this video. The first step would be open up your Gmail and compose an email. Write the person's email address here to whom you want to send the email to. Write any subject you want, and to attach a zip file, simply click on Attach Files. Then browse your file. Select it and click on Open. Once you click on Open, the file will get uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, you can click on Send and send the email. And now you have successfully sent a zip file in Gmail. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.